Te Aotearoa kaumātua and warriors led the way for the dawn opening ceremony of Te Ngira, the Lower Hutt premises of Te Wānanga o Aotearoa.
It was a special occasion. It was awesome, as I said, to be led by Te Aotearoa, but it's also awesome to be supported by our Te Wānanga Aotearoa whānau, Jim, John, ngā tumu. We're just hugely honoured to be able to open up a whare that's the first whare with the new logo, which represents a watershed moment again for Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, but also for us here in the Hutt Valley, as I said. And we're just really looking forward to working with and for the community here.
Reinvesting in infrastructure and kaimahi was now a key focus, says Te Tai Urungi.
The blessing today reflected the fact that we are committing to our strategy, we are committing to investment in our facilities and resources, but we're also maintaining our unique kaupapa Māori focus of Te Wānanga Aotearoa as well. Our underlying values and our ngā ura, ngā takipu, they remain very crucial to Te Wānanga Aotearoa, and we had a demonstration of that once again this morning.
Kai whakahaere ako Wayne Poutoa is excited to see the organisation's growth.
We're very fortunate to see the expansion of a dream and Youth Guarantee being able to broaden their scope since the inception in 2013 when we first started in an industrial sort of like a site, but we're now at a space like this, which is just a great flagship for transformation.
The location of the new premises was special for several reasons, says Dr. Kathy Irwin.
So for us to be here in the heart of the birthplace of the kaupapa of Kohanga, in the birthplace of Tū Tangata, brings all of those kaupapa through the Te Wānanga Aotearoa door, because that's what we're about. We're about how does our kaupapa, our reo, our tikanga transform whānau, give New Zealand a different future. So for us to be here in the heart of all of that, right in this place, very, very special, and to have mana whenua here today, rawe.
Te Ngira is the new bastion for whānau transformation in Wellington and will be appreciated by all who enter its doors. Te Anganathan, Te Wānanga o Aotearoa.